In a situation you find yourself in, you could have an object like this, and now you want to duplicate it and move it here. The problem is it doesn't follow the grid properly. And whatever you do, you're gonna want to cry. You can go into edit mode, stretch it, fix it to the grid, but that is a waste of time. Now, how would we do it? We have this incredible tool, this handy tool called Original Line. An add-on by Inlet that fixes all the crimes, especially my crimes. I'm sick and tired of this origin. You click on it. This is Original Line menu. Bam, grid, and then just Original Line, and it goes to the corner of the grid. And now when I duplicate this object, it follows the grid perfectly to how I expected and wanted it to be. And now, look at that, This just happened in 5 seconds. No waiting, no thinking, just the results. I duplicate this, it moves perfectly there. I duplicate this and I move it here. And now I have these perfect little coffee tables. Bam! Just like that. Bam, 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 bam. You don't need to go to any extra menus. Find a corner. Think about where the origin is going to be. Original Line tips and tricks. Real-time preview. Real-time destruction of issues. Now you can put your favorite human on your favorite coffee table. Just so long as you can rotate him to the other side. Just rotate him like this. That doesn't want to rotate. Why don't? It is locked. When it is locked, you cannot rotate. Oh, yes. And now can we snap him right on the table? Is he gonna glue himself? No, Original Line. Original Line to bottom. Original Line to bottom. Yes. Now we can't use grid, we gotta use face. You can't expect greatness. Oh, see that? Your favorite human is now part of coffee table. Is it? This is that, right. Yes, favorite human loves to be stuck on... Favorite human loves to be stuck on coffee table. Yes, I love this table as I wait for my turn at the ticket office. The fucking trains are late again. It's been 6 hours and I can't get my ticket. Oh my